Hello and welcome to the Scribzy YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to scan with the Scribzy phone app. Let's get started. Open Scribzy, tap Scan. When you open Scan, Scribzy accesses your smartphone camera ready for you to scan. Before you start scanning, make sure that Scribzy has been set to the correct scanning mode. To select a scanning mode, start by clicking on the arrow located at the bottom of the screen. The first mode, called Vertical, is for scanning in portrait. Scribzy is set by default in portrait mode. This mode should be used for all products except for Spot Notes, Flash 2.0 flashcards, and revision cards. The second mode, called Horizontal, is for scanning in landscape. This mode can be used for all products except for Spot Notes, Smart Charts and Diaries. And finally, the third mode, called Square, is only used to scan Spot Notes. Before you start scanning, please ensure that the product you want to scan is compatible with Scribzy. All Scribzy compatible products have markers printed on each page. Make sure that the page you want to scan is flat and that the 4 markers are clearly visible. Align the 4 markers on the page with the targets on your smartphone. Hold still while your smartphone camera focuses on the page. Scribzy triggers the scan automatically. If you want to add more pages to your scan, select the plus icon from the bottom menu bar. Once you finish scanning, select OK to save your scan. Go to Pending to retrieve your scans. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos about Scribzy, have a look at our YouTube channel.